Alright, so filming this as we're walking into the casino because we're running late. There's probably a pretty fast promotion today. 8 a.m. they start with the pull tabs, and you get to open both doors and get the higher amount for the first 1,300 people that walk in. So, yeah, so we're doing that. So we got the pull tabs, and we're gonna think the minimum that I can get is $40. I think 25 is the lowest, then the next lowest is 40 if I remember. So we'll see if that's true or if we get more. This should be the biggest one we've done so far, and we've got almost $90 now, so we'll definitely, well, not definitely, but we should get over the $100 mark. And, yeah, I don't know. I'm going to head inside. So like I said, we're running late, and we'll talk later. Alright, so that went pretty well, actually. We broke even. Well, I mean, we invested $1.25 of the roll to unlock the $40 in free play. But other than that, we had $40 in free play, and we cashed out exactly $40. So that's about what you're supposed to do with video poker. You know, a little bit under 100%. I did take some photos of the paid tables because I want to see which game's the best in there. I have a feeling that triple double bonus is actually better than Jacks or Better. The only reason I play Jacks or Better is because that's the game I know the best. I know there's not too many strategy changes like once you learn Jacks or Better. There's just minor tweaks for each game. I know Deuces Wild is usually the best with a full pay table, but it's not a full pay table there. I think 9.5 is a full pay table on Deuces Wild, and this one's 9.4. So I did look on one of the video poker sites that has all the payouts and everything of all the casinos around, and when you look up Rivers Casino, it says no good games, so that's not super encouraging. So we'll see, but I'm happy with the results so far. We've had let's see, 40 and 20 on Monday and 25, so we've had 25 and 45, so we've had $85 in free play, and we're at $130, so we're way ahead of where we should be. So can't complain too much about that. As far as the online poker stuff, I realized I made a couple of errors. First thing is we're actually going to deposit on the 28th, I think. The last Saturday is our free play, so that's part of the 5 free rolls a day thing. I can knock 10 of those off, so I only have to do 105. And what else? Oh, we made a final table. Well, we bubbled a final table, but top 10 did pay in this free roll, so we got 55 cents. Played an 11-cent tournament last night. Ran up a decent stack, but didn't make the money. Somehow we got action when we'd only played about 4 hands the first hour, and got kings to triple up against 2 players that had a bottom pair. So we went from like 2,000, or no, I went from like 3,000 to about 88, 89, something like that. I knocked out both of them, and but other than that, couldn't really do anything. I had a pocket pair. I think it was second pair on the board, and I bet for value. I want to say it was 8s, and we got called by 9s, which was kind of weird. You know, whatever. Things happen. It's one tournament. You can't really say anything about it. But yeah, so that's pretty much been the week. I have put Hearthstone on hold for the moment because I tried to do some video with my laptop, and the microphone picks up everything because I was just using the laptop microphone. So one of the things I thought I might do is when we're done with this month is maybe take some of the free play money and invest in a microphone or headset or something just to get by and get started with. We got a good amount of money right now, so we'll see how much money that is at the end of the month. You know, if we can spare whatever, 70, 80 bucks to get something decent and get started and all that. But yeah, good day so far. I'm exhausted because I've been up since 6:15 this morning. It's like, I don't know what time it is now. It's probably 8:30. Yeah, so we had to get over here super early for the promotion. But yeah, so I'm going to head home and probably take a nap and then upload this when I get home. Alright, so I got home and ran the numbers on the, 2, 4, 6, 7 different games that I found on Jacks Are Better. Might have been covering the mic there with my finger, so I apologize if the audio's shit. But, so it looks like Jacks Are Better is still the best game to play. Deuces Wild is in last with 95.1%, and everything else is around 96, 97%. Still much better than the 89.9% for slot play. So we're going to stick with Jacks Are Better for the duration of the free play. So that's going to do the vlog for today, and if you guys like the videos, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.